Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to calculate credit card reward earnings on Nerdwallet. Have you ever wondered how much you're really earning from your credit card rewards? Whether it's cashback, points, or miles, calculating your reward can help you to choose the best card as well as to maximize its benefits. Let's break down how to do that using Nerdwallet. So first, head to the Nerdwallet site, that's nerdwallet.com, and then navigate to the credit cards section. Here you're going to look for a specific card, or you can use the filter to narrow your choices like travel rewards, cashback, or business cards. Once you find a card's page, scroll down to see the reward rate section. This tells you how much you earn per dollar spent in different categories like 3% on dining or 1% on everything else. Now, to calculate your rewards, estimate your monthly spendings in each category and then multiply your spendings by the corresponding reward rates. For example, if you spend $500 a month on groceries and the card gives you 3% cash back, then that's $15 in the month of rewards. Add up the total from every category to get your total monthly or annual earnings. Some Nerdwallet cards page even include a built-in reward calculator where you can input your spendings and see the estimated yearly value. Calculating your credit card rewards helps you to make smarter financial choices. With Nerdwallet's tools and a little bit of math, you can always find out exactly how much value you're getting and if your card is truly worth it or not. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.